Hey guys, welcome back to OB Toys. So today I'm going to be showing you my custom using a Colossal T-Rex and the new Mattel Mamenchisaurus. I'm going to be putting these two items together and coming up with a whole new hybrid. So you guys will have to let me know down in the comments what you think. Also, if this is the first time you're visiting my channel, I love working with blacklight and glow-in-the-dark paints. So make sure you stick around to see what happens when I turn out the lights. Also in this video we will be announcing the winner from the giveaway from my last video, so make sure you stick around to the end of the video to see if you are today's winner. Alright guys, I'm going to sit back and let you watch my process and I'll check back with you in a bit. If you guys are enjoying the video so far, be sure to smash that like button for me right now. Also, if you're not subscribed yet to the channel, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and follow along in the fun. Now also, you guys, down in the comments, tell me what you guys think we should call this thing. I have no idea, but you guys always come up with the best names, so put down in the comments the best name you think that this dinosaur represents. Alright guys, I'm just about finished here. I have a few more layers of glow-in-the-dark paint to add to this thing, but I'm not going to make you wait any longer. We're going to go ahead and skip to the final results. But before we do, we always got to go back to where we started. And here we go. So what do you guys think? Do you like it? Let me know down in the comments below. I really wanted to keep the front end of this dinosaur close to the ground, and being able to still move the neck up and down made this thing have a whole new function to it, which I absolutely love. But yeah, I think this thing turned out awesome. It is very unique and very big. Alright guys, I'm about to turn off the lights and show you what this thing looks like glowing, but I wanted to make sure everybody knows I'm going to be at Toys for the Ages Expo this year once again. I'm going to be giving away some customs, we're going to be selling customs, giving away free merch. We're going to have a lot of fun, so be sure to check out the information and come check that out. Alright guys, get ready, glow in the dark and black light, here we go. These are just a few of the other customs on my channel. If you haven't seen everything, be sure to go back and check out the playlist above. Alright guys, like I said in the beginning of the video, we're about to announce the winner from the giveaway contest from my last video. So congratulations, R. Burrow from Utah, USA. To claim your prize, be sure to message me on Instagram, or you can send me an email through my website, shopobtoys.com. And once again, congratulations. Now for all those who don't know, I have an online toy store. It's a huge online toy store, has tons of different toy lines on there, including old Jurassic Park stuff and the newer Mattel stuff. I even have some of my custom items on there as well, so be sure to check that out. I'd really appreciate all of the support you guys give. Also, I have another link down in my description, Teespring, where you can find merchandise that goes along with the channel. And a special thanks to all my Obi Toys members. Really appreciate all the support you guys have been giving. If you want to become a member, click on that link above. Alright guys, like this video if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, Obi Toys out.